Hello friends, welcome back to my video. Today we are going to learn about operators in Java. Today we cover only one part of it, one type of it, and in other videos we will cover different other types of operators. Now, what is operators basically? Operators are the spatial symbols that are used to perform operations on operands. Now, what are, for example, uh, 10 plus 20. Now, plus sign is a operator, and 10 and 20 are operands. So that's it. This is a definition of operators. Now there are five types of operators: arithmetic operator, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, and urinary operators. Now, in this video, we will cover about arithmetic operators only. In next video, we will cover about assignment operators, and then we will continue all five. So, uh, I was doing like that because, as we all know that our attention span is very low. So I want to make a video very small and concise with now let us just start our now as I already explained the what is operators. Now let's start with arithmetic operators. Now here I have declared two variable int a and int b and assign two values 10 and 20, and I am doing plus operation, means adding them and uh, and printing them in the output. Now see what is the output. Now you can see the output is 30. Now other operations are minus, multiply, divide, and modulus. Now what is modulus? Modulus operator. Now modulus operator is like finding a remainder in division. It work as a finding a division remainder in a division. Like I want to find a division. Let us suppose I divide 10 with 3, and I will get the quotient 3 and remainder 1. Now my output will be 1, not 3. My mistake. I should write here. Now it's okay. Now our output will be 1, not 3. So modulus operator do that work, and there is one important concept that if we here declare a variable with integer, then our output also will be there in our output will be also there in integer only. Let us suppose I have divided a divided by t. I have done that operation. Now what should be the output, ideal output according to maths? It should be 0.5. But in programming, if we declare an int variable and divide it, so it will convert 0.5 into 0. As if it also be 0.9, then also it will convert into 0, means it will convert into lower ceiling. If you have studied in 11th or 12th standard, you may get what I am saying it. Now if I remove this integer and make it double, Let us take this example. So our output will be 0.5. Why? Because we are in programming, there are memory allocated to every type of variable like integer, double, string, etc. So here the double has higher value of storage as compared to integer. So the division will convert, or addition will always convert into higher type. Like if we are adding int with double, so it will convert into double. Int with float, it will convert into float. Or byte with int, so it will convert into int. Not with byte, it will not go lower, it will always go upper side. That's it. Uh, that's it for today's class. uh, Let me just give you some. You can also observe that we will get a 30.0 because here we have double type, not integer type. Here you can see all the outputs. I will upload these files on my GitHub, so you can and I will put a GitHub link on my video description, so you can find from that also. Thank you for watching.